hydrogen water bottles, what they don't want you to know, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And then of course, this is gonna be an amazing video because you're gonna be liking and subscribing and turning on that bell for notifications, because we want people to have this information, because we've been getting countless emails and phone calls and text messages and email messages and Facebook messages letting us know that the bottle is leaking. And then we say, well, what's your order number? And they give us the order number. Guess what? It's a different website that they believe they're buying from Healthy Hydration, and it's actually the Healthy Hydration. And unfortunately, they're not answering the phone. People can't get their money back. The product's faulty. So I don't want that to happen to you. So you're going out there online, you're trying to figure out, what am I supposed to do? Number one, make sure you go to the original website, healthyhydration.com, to order your bottle. All right, so I'm gonna teach you here the differences of the bottles in the market. We'll go ahead and start with why we have this size of hydrogen bottle. The reason that it's a little on the smaller side is because the smaller it is, the more condensed the gas can get, the more pressure builds up. And so then you get more production of hydrogen. So if you have a lot more volume, you're gonna have to wait a lot longer and it's not gonna be as much production. So that's why this one can get a lot. Another reason it can get a lot is because the cap here has a pressure release valve. The reason this is important is because other bottles in the market don't have this. And if it keeps building up the pressure, it starts to leak out. And so you have to be able to push this button here and it'll exchange the gas out. So especially important if you're doing glass here and it starts building up the pressure, what can actually happen? And we've had clients come to us saying, hey, I saw this guy, it looks like he had a bottle blow up in his face and it was glass, and it's absolutely true, it can. Builds the pressure and it breaks. So you definitely want to stay away from glass. You want to do a BPA-free, number 7 plastic Triton is preferable. So that's why you don't want the leaching. So you do have the pressure release valve here, none of these have it. Next thing is you want to look on the back and you want to make sure that it's sealed here, because the water will get in. As much as we don't want the water to get in there, it's very easy for it to get in there. You're filling it up, sitting there, something spills on it. These other brands, they typically do not have the cap. So as soon as water gets in there, it ruins the electronics in the unit and it's done. And most likely it's not covered in the warranty. So you have that, and then you also have the production of hydrogen time that you're gonna be under. So this has a 5 and a 10. This has a 5 and a 10. Some of them just have one setting, which is just a 5 or just a 10, which is fine, but normally it's not going to build up as much hydrogen. And then of course the size of the plates do make a difference too in how they're structured in here. So ours is structured the best. We'll have another video explaining the inside mechanism and how it works. It does not produce chlorine gas. These have also been certified by H2 Analytics. Third-party validation that says this is a great quality product, and it makes in between 3 to 5 parts per million using gas chromatography. So that's why we love it. We also had it certified through the Hydrogen Water Quality Association. So this association tests for quality of these, I'm sorry to say, but cheap products on Amazon, especially because people were getting them and it was causing issues in people's bodies and it's not good quality for $20. What do you expect? And so the Hydrogen Water Quality Association takes bottles like these, test it for 100 hours. It's got to be able to pass 100 hours of use. The water that was used inside, it's sent to a lab and they certify that it's not containing any heavy metals. So this has that. So these do not have that. So you want to make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck. So definitely Healthy Hydration is number 1 out there for you on this. So go over there right now. If you're during the Christmas time, the holiday time, we do have specials going on too. So you definitely want to know about that. We have our HYDRA FX supplement for Black Friday. The first ever US brand here, and this is the new technology versus the old technology of hydrogen tabs. This is a supplement that you take and helps your own body make enormous amounts of hydrogen gas. You definitely gotta check this out. It's endorsed by the #1 world's professor, Dr. Scientist, Professor Oda. So you'll see there'll be a link somewhere here to his latest webinar with us. You'll love that. So anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for liking, subscribing, and turning on the bell.